Well, yes, massive pressure on names like Hitachi Energy India, Siemens India, GE Vernova, TND, CG Power, BHEL, and a whole host of other stocks belonging to this group of stocks. Let's understand why this has happened. Today, the government has granted a 2-year PPO exemption to 4 Chinese-linked electrical equipment manufacturers to supply in India. Now, these companies are TBEA Energy India, Takai Electric India, Nanjing Electric India, as well as New Northeast Electric India. These are some names that you should be focusing on. This exemption allows participation in select PSU transmission equipment tenders despite existing procurement restrictions. The Ministry of Finance has approved exemptions following the recommendations from the Ministry of Power, and this is negative for the existing players in this segment. The exemptions primarily address domestic capacity shortages in critical transmission equipment manufacturing, and the policy aim is to prevent project delays until there is a sufficient domestic manufacturing capacity that becomes available. Now, to understand why this is negative for the incumbent players, Chinese suppliers increase competition in the premium transmission segment. There could be greater bidding participation, which could put pressure on the Indian companies. Competitive bidding may also undermine the capability of the Indian companies. PSU tenders may witness lower bidding prices. Domestic manufacturers could lose market share. Existing order pipeline may be affected going ahead as well, and it is a negative in terms of sentiment for all of these existing companies. In terms of the segments that are the most affected, 765 kilowatt and 400 kV power transformers, extra high voltage capacity, HVDC transmissions, all of them stand to be affected. And some of the biggest players in these categories include names like Hitachi Energy India, GE Vernova, TND that competes directly in the high voltage transmission equipment segment, Siemens India, CG Power, BHEL, Tyrrell, as well as Volt Amp transformers. Just to give you a little bit of brokerage view on this, ICICI Securities believes that this is applicable only to Chinese companies who have plants in India. This was along expected lines and should not have any material impact, but the stock reaction is saying otherwise.